Here is some simple homemade vanilla extract made in 2 easy ways. I've used native vanilla whole pods. These are grade B, which is the best to use for a vanilla extract. You need to split the pods lengthways, cut them in half and pop them into your clean containers. I'm using 7 pods to 1.5 cups of rum or vodka. The first bottle of extract that I made needs to be kept in a cool, dark place, needs to be shaken at least once a week and can be used in around 8 weeks' time. This jar's going into my Instapot. Make sure that you put all your ingredients in. Pop your lid on, but don't fasten it too tight. Give the lid a little wriggle to make sure the extract can breathe. You don't want it to explode in your Instapot, and you're ready to go. Pop your trivet in the bottom of your Instapot and put 2 cups of water into the bottom of the pot. Pop the lid onto the Instapot, secure it and seal the air vents. Now you want to pop this onto manual for 30 minutes and let it go. Once it's finished, let it cool in the pot and carefully take that lid off. You'll see the difference in the colour between the two of them. This one's instant, ready to use right now, and it's lovely. It smells amazing.